Hi everyone. One of the most liked and most viewed type of video that I upload in my channel are my stock photography monthly earnings video across various websites. And in that video, I always tell what is the number of images in my portfolio across all agencies. Now, as soon as I upload those videos, the newcomers who are in my channel often ask me a very important question: what is the exact number of photo that I need to upload in any agency in order to start guaranteed sales? So today I'll be answering that question for you, and I will also be telling you what should be your exact mindset while uploading stock photography, and what should be your expectations, and what is the reality of earning in stock photography as a beginner. So let's start right away. So to answer that question specifically, what is the exact number of photo that you can upload in your portfolio in order to have your first guaranteed sale? Well, the answer can be one. Yes, if you're surprised, the answer can definitely be one, provided your photo is so good, it is so perfectly described in caption and metadata and perfect keywords, provided your photo is so perfect commercially with the relevant modern trending topic that is going on, and it is so above the competition that there are no competitors, and if client demands it, then definitely that photo can sell just by uploading one photo. Well, I said so many things, isn't it? It means I hope you got the answer in my statement, right? The number of photos do not dictate whether you can or cannot have sales, that to guaranteed sales. Okay, first of all, nothing is guaranteed. It's a probability, it's a numbers game. But the very important thing I told you, if your content is in demand, if some topic is in demand and there are no competition, and you have got the only source of that image, definitely it will sell. But as a beginner, it is impossible because you don't know what you are doing, right? I will give an example which I always give in my comments. Suppose you are opening a showroom, a business showroom. Okay, stock photography portfolio is just like a business showroom. Your clients need something and you are showcasing those items, and there is a probability that that will sell. Now just imagine you are opening a mobile phone showroom with lots and lots of option that is possible. You have got a big room you have taken on a lease, all right, or you, it can be your parental room, you have bought the property, whatever you desire. Now it's time for you to bring specific handsets, that is the mobile handsets, in your showroom, so that customers will come, they will choose from those available options and they will buy. All right, what is the probability that you can get sale if you have got only one handset? Is it possible to get sale? Definitely it's possible theoretically. Let me tell you a situation. In your whole showroom, in the whole big room, you have got only one phone in demonstration, right? That phone is iPhone 14 Pro Max, golden color, all right, 512 GB. Okay, now there are many customers in your area who cannot afford it, right? But maybe there's one customer who was already using an iPhone 14 Pro Max gold edition 512 GB, and due to some reason his phone got destroyed, all right, and he's so rich that he cannot afford to wait. Okay, he will just buy whatever he gets his hands on, right? And then he happened to stumble upon your showroom, and from that location the Apple showroom is so far away that he needs it as an emergency, right? So then he will definitely come to your showroom, and there's a high probability that he will buy that one single handset from your showroom. Okay, if it seems a bit very far-fetched and far-stretched, that is how it is, all right? Because in real world you will never get to sell even one handset from that showroom that has got only one phone under display. So you need to have so many options, you need to have so many things that suits client needs for various customers, all right? So the analogy is same as a Shutterstock or any stock photography portfolio, microstock portfolio, where lots and lots of clients will be searching for many things across the internet, and there is a very less chance that your photo will come across their, I mean, search engine in the first place. And even if they come, there may be hundreds and hundreds of competitors, maybe thousands and millions. So your photo needs to be so good in quality that it beats the competition. It is so good in metadata that it beats the search engines and it surfaces up. Then only, out of many, no matter how much number of images you have in your portfolio, that single image has got a chance of being sold. So it's always quality over quantity. If the customer searches an image and you have got the right image in your portfolio, no matter how many images you have, it does not bother the customer, right? That same exact single image is what is of his interest, and that image will definitely sell. So realistically speaking, when I started, I got my first sale after I uploaded approximately 560 photos. But back then also, just like you, in 2018, I was a beginner. I was uploading any type of photos. So exactly, I cannot say that my photos, the 500 photos that I uploaded, were of the best quality, right? Definitely not. And now in today's date, in 2023, if a beginner is just trying to experiment, I would like to say that even 1000 photos will not guarantee anything, right? But there are knowledgeable beginners who already know what to do, who are professional photographers, who are already starting with great content, and in their portfolio I have seen as low as 25 to 30 photos and videos have started getting good sales. All right, so please don't, I mean, fall into this concept that there will be a certain number of photos in my portfolio. If I upload, then I will get to see sales. Never. It always depends on how good, how much better, how professional your photo looks like, what are the exact stuff that are commercially viable. I have already uploaded many videos what you need to do in order to click a good looking commercial photo, what type of photo you need to click that sells. All right, you need to trend with the research. All of these things, if you keep in mind, even if you upload 100 high quality photos, it will definitely start, I mean, you will get definitely positive results always. So definitely I cannot give you a number, I gave you my number. But if you are just uploading crap nature photo, random street photo, travel photos, I guarantee you, you might get some occasional lucky sales, one or two here and there, but getting consistent sales is out of the possibility. All right, so please do not be disheartened. I have already made videos regarding what mistakes you should avoid, regarding what steps you should follow. So please go through all of them, and I am sure you will be lucky enough to get your first sale. So if you're watching this video till now, please type the code word first sale in the video comments, and I will know you are watching this video till now. I wish you all of my viewers the very best of luck. For those who are starting out first time, who have not got any video, believe, who have not got any sale, I'm fumbling on my words, believe me, the first time when you get the notification your media has been downloaded for the first time, the joy that you get cannot be compared with anything else. All right, anyways, thanks for sticking, guys. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.